In this Learning Byte for Windows Home Server 2011, we'll take a look at managing your hard drives as well as adding new hard drives to extend the server's capacity. So to get started, here in the Home Server dashboard, we'll go ahead and select the Server Folders and Hard Drives tab. Here in the Server Folders subtab, we can see all of our shared folders. And right now, all of the data is currently stored on the D drive. On the Hard Drive subtab, we can see the physical hard drives that are connected to the server. The C drive is our system drive, and the D drive where all of our data is currently stored. When we select an individual hard drive, we can view its properties. This gives us a couple of different options, including running a drive cleanup wizard and also running a check and repair. This provides the same check disk functionality that you may be familiar with previous versions of Windows, and can be used to perform a check only or to do a check and repair any errors that it finds. One thing to note is that in order to repair a drive, it must be taken offline, so any data stored on that drive will be unavailable while the repair is processed. There's also a tab where you can administer shadow copies. You can learn more about shadow copies using this link, and from here you can either enable or disable shadow copy functionality. Now what shadow copies does for you is make it very easy to recover from accidentally overwritten or deleted files right from Windows Explorer on your PC. Simply right-click a file or a folder, choose Properties, and then view the Previous Versions tab. Next, I wanted to take a look at how easy it is to expand the storage capacity of your home server. When you connect a new drive to the home server, whether it's an external USB drive, FireWire, or even an internal drive, you'll get an alert in the dashboard. This alert lets you know that there's a new drive available, but in order to take advantage of the storage capacity of that drive, it needs to be formatted so that home server can use it. So right from within the alert, you can go ahead and click to format the hard disk. From here, you can see some information about the drive. In my case, this is going to be a virtual disk in my demo environment, and we can go ahead and format it. Once the drive is successfully formatted, it's ready for use by the home server. There are no more alerts, so let's go ahead and close the alert viewer. And next I wanted to show you how we can take advantage of this new hard drive space. So for any of our shared folders, we can go ahead and select that and then choose to move the data for that folder, and in fact the whole shared folder itself, over to the new drive. Here on the welcome page for this wizard, we can see what the wizard is going to do for us. And then from here we can choose a new location for the folder. Currently it's on the D drive, but we can go ahead and select our new F drive and then go ahead and move that data. Now, depending on your hard drive and server configuration, this could take a few minutes to go ahead and move all of the data over. The last step of the Move Folder wizard is to remind you to go ahead and update your server backup configuration in order to make sure that that new location is protected. So since we just added a new hard drive, let's go ahead and open up the server configuration. Again, we see a Getting Started page for the wizard. And then we can go ahead and change the server backup settings. I have already defined a backup disk, so we'll continue to use that, and we'll keep the label that I have defined as well as the schedule. But what we want to do is make sure that this new drive that we've just added is included as part of the backup. The last page of the wizard just asks us to confirm our settings, and everything is set to go. So that's a quick look at managing storage capacity in your home server as well as adding new capacity. So thank you very much for watching this Learning Byte video, and I hope you'll join us for additional videos.